In this video, we'll show you how to fix the black screen issue on your PS5. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So, you've turned on your PS5, but you're just getting a black screen. This is a common issue, and I'll walk you through the most effective fixes, starting with the basics. First, let's check the simple stuff. Make sure your HDMI cable is securely plugged into your PS5 and your TV or monitor. Try unplugging the cable from both ends and plugging it back firmly. If possible, try a different HDMI cable or a different HDMI port on your TV. Also, double check that your TV is set to the correct HDMI input. If the cables are fine, let's do a full power cycle. Turn off your PS5 and your TV completely, then unplug them from the wall outlet. Wait for about a minute, then plug them back in and turn them on. If you're still getting a black screen, the issue might be incompatible video resolution. So in that case, we need to go to save mode. First, turn your PS5 off completely, and then press and hold the power button until you hear the second beep to enter the save mode. And from the save mode, select option 2, change video output, and then change resolution. Your PS5 will restart and you can select a safe resolution like 1080p, and that should fix your problem.